Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sunya from Periwinkle Souls Day School. So by the title of this video, most of you might have understood that today we are going to sing a song of phonic sounds along with its letter names. So I would request all the parents and teachers to teach the kids the letter sounds first, the phonic sounds first, and then the letter names, because letter names letter sounds, the phonic sounds are going to help the kids to read in future. They're going to help the kids to blend the letters together, join them and read them, and it's going to be easy for them to read in future. So let's get the children in front of the screen and let's get started with this letter sound. Let's learn to sing the letter sounds along with its letter names. So let's get started. Sing along. A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cookie, cookie. D is for daddy, daddy. E is for elbow, elbow, elbow. F is for funny, funny. G is for go, go. H is for happy, happy. I is for in. J is for juice, juice. K is for kick, L is for look, M is for mommy, mommy. N is for no. O is for off. P is for play, play. Q is for quiet, quiet. R is for red, red. S is for stop. T is for toilet, toilet. U is for up. V is for voice, voice. W is for water, water. X is for eggs, eggs. Y is for yes. Z is for zero, zero. Yay! Now you all know the sounds, the phonic sounds along with its letter names. So practice along with me daily, twice a day, and you're going to get along. Good job, all of you. Hope you like the video. So if you like it, hit the big like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much and see you in another video very soon. Bye bye. Take care, all of you.